Okay, so it is my birthday. It is my birthday today.
You know,
it smells nice.
3 big men on a bed. It's kind of shit I like.
What?
So every time. And then,
I like that one.
That's the G-lock.
So cute. The G-lock.
But we got the.
Wow.
Bro, is that mozzarella and tomato and basil? Or pizza flavour? Oh.
Just a bit.
Oh, sorry, I misread. I just counted that information. Oh shit, are you filming? Oh no!
Yeah.
Recording.
Is that fucking?
It is recording.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good shot. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Okay. Here's alcohol.
That was for you.
Thank you, appreciate that.
That's doable. Bro, sure that's easy. That's like a
That's like a triple.
shot. Oh shit.
Ready?
Let's see.
Watch me cough.
Yeah. Show him the shot. Show the camera the shot.
Because I'm 18, it's obviously my first time ever legally, ever drinking ever in my life. So
You never drink before.
I don't know shoot. Yes, yeah, no drinking. Yes, ready.
It's not a shot. That's just. Why are you sipping it?
You gotta just throw it back.
Hey yo. You did not shot that. You just drank it. Alright, now vodka time.
Yeah, there you go. Now you take a shot of vodka.
Hey, vodka. Okay, I should shot that. Okay, alright.
Okay.
Sure, buddy. Two shots.
Yeah.
To you. Woo. We got a lot to catch up on.
Did you actually drink it?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Well done. I'm proud of you. Proud of you.
5 minutes later.
He's gonna say, this is not my main job. I'm gonna say, why are you an opera singer? But then he starts speaking seriously. So
No, his voice, I think we recorded it. His voice is so deep.
We'll get it.
We'll get it eventually. You are going the wrong way. I'm joking, you know. We're so drunk. We're gonna watch this tomorrow. Like, what the fuck are we doing? He's such a cunt.
Good son. Good son.
He's a good son.
I hope he doesn't touch any kids. Because that was really Please don't lock any doors.
I'm good. Yo, this bear's fucked. This bear's fucked. So beautiful. Are you gonna have it?
Nah, we're on our way home.
Oh, I think we could go eat.
Have to go home. What's good?
That was a bit too.
You need to watch what I filmed last night.
Man, this is our last day in Naples, Italy.
Oh, how sad.
How sad. We basically lived here, bruv.
I was only starting to like it.
Yeah. That's really good.
Fabio!
Yeah, that's
Fabio!
night. Oh, we do have one there.
This is a plate.
Try
Okay,
it.
very nice.
This is a fried pizza, again traditional in Naples.
Ooh.
So be a pussy and eat it.
So this has no toppings, it's just the bread.
Oh, I thought. Oh, it's just the bread. Just fried bread. Has actual shit on it.
It's quite hard, it's quite deep in.
So gay.
What meat is that?
Pork. Sausage, I'm pretty sure.
Tastes good.
Really?
The meat tastes good, yeah.
Time for Dan's honest review. Let's go. Fried pizza, baby. This is like the middle part.
See that?
Oh, that's a lot.
That's
Oh,
everything. That's everything.
absolutely everything. Let's go. Yeah. Really? Shit, no, I'm sorry.
That's good.
Okay. Alright, fair enough. What's the
What's
meat?
that meat?
The meat is pork.
It's pork.
Sausage. It's like there's actual like, traditional sausage.
It doesn't taste like it.
Not the shit kind.
Yeah, it tastes like actual good meat.
Yeah, I know, it's good meat. Well, okay, of course you said that. Dan, listen. Dan, listen. Where are you? Don't do anything.
What are you doing?
Sorry, man. Look.
You
Don't.
filming?
No, look. You can even do it this way.
Is your camera out of charge?
Don't do some gay shit, huh?
Is your camera out of
Yeah, don't do some gay shit. Don't do gay shit whilst I'm in the fucking shower. He's gonna do some gay shit. Where are we going?
Dopo quello speravamo di quelle onde, no?
Nice. Fucking hell, I forgot.
Nice. I'm gonna swim in Nice, bruv. We just swim in Nice, you understand?
I know.
Sure, find it. Look how big my bag looks on. Look how big my bag looks. Jesus. Yes. Such a beautiful place.